Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a pin on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap pin. In the pin settings, tap Set Pin. Enter your 6-digit pin. If it's too simple, you will get a warning. You can tap Use Anyway if you want to use the simple pin anyway, or change it to make it more secure. Re-enter your pin to continue. You now have a pin on your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.